This video I'll be showing you what a disassembled clutch looks like for manual transmission. This is for the Rambler American for the 195.6 CID, which stands for cubic inch displacement engine. So first of all, it's a Borg Beck style clutch, which has 3 big levers. Most modern clutches have various levers without springs. The levers themselves are the springs, which is not nice. I don't like that design. This is much more reliable and serviceable design. So it's a Borg Beck. There's this number here, P6769. There's this other number here, 1090. The diameter for these slots here is about 18 millimeters or 1 3/4 inch. So originally this clutch came with only 6 springs, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, and nothing in the middle. So right now I'm gonna measure the spring force, probably in the next video, force of the spring, and I'm gonna add 1 spring, and hopefully these valve springs are the correct. They're the correct force and height, which they do seem to be. So that's what the clutch disassembly looks like. There's another number there, 7520. And here's how these levers work. The spring pushes up on this here, on the round part, which is connected to this, to the threaded part here. Keeps the springs up like that. So, okay, I think I'll do that in the next video. Anything else I should say? This, by the way, is the 8.5 inch clutch diameter, outer diameter.